Hi everyone, Deja from Kaizink. So I'm coming today with a process improvement. So we have a really great starting point with a guide that Monty had made. However, it's a little bit inaccurate as far as label placements for the tags. So what I did was I go ahead and made it just a little bit cleaner as far as where the lines go, and then I'll show you exactly how to use them on the platen. So all we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place the foam on top of the platen here, and I've got two lasers underneath, and I'm just going to go ahead and line it up. So here is the center of the palette. The LC center stands for the left chest, but what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to place the laser, this laser. So I actually had the camera moved to this side so that way it's easier for you guys to look at. So I'm going to line up the laser to make sure that it's good to go smack in the middle. And then I'm gonna take this other laser and I'm gonna put it where it needs to go. Where did it go? Okay, so here's the laser for small, medium, and large. So the one we're gonna use today is large. So now that it's set to large and my middle line is good to go, I'm gonna take this off. And then it's got a really cool magnet on the back so that way it can go right behind you. But the guide is back where it needs to be. We're gonna go ahead and load the shirt. So once the shirt is loaded, far left chest, so it'll go around, and once it's printed and you're ready to take it off, you're gonna take your large folding tag and you're gonna place it right in the crosshairs on the right side, so in the top right in the corner right here, and then you'll pull off, and then it'll go down the dryer. So once it comes off the dryer and you'll have a print on there, your full tag is ready to go. You're gonna go ahead and place it on the folder, fold that bad boy up, and you should have the perfect fold and the perfect placement, and it should be consistent for every single time, and that's for every size. Thanks for watching.